Nation, what's happening? We back up in here, man, with another one of them things, man. And I'm gonna get straight to the business, because this is the most incredible, dumbest, craziest, outlandish, I'm flabbergastedness that I've ever been through in my life. So, as y'all can see, the hood up on the Firebird and the trunk. Okay? We working. We doing a little work, right? Changing oil. So I come in, you know, do everything routine like I always do, right? Okay, cool. Gets under the car. Well, I take the filter off. Don't look at the screen like that, because now I feel like y'all know where I'm going with this. Get the filter off. Gets under the car. Proceeds to turn the oil drain plug. The oil drain plug. Oh, where is it? Right here. I'm up here. The oil drain plug is free spinning both ways, left and right. Will not come out. Bro, I'm not finna even deal with this, because I'm just not. I ain't finna deal with it. I deal with that later on in life, man. Like, I ain't finna do it. It ain't leaking. It ain't doing nothing. Man, look. The oil was low. The oil was low. I don't even know how low it was, but the low oil light been on for a minute. What is this? Okay. Yeah, the oil light been on for a minute, saying that the oil was low. So I'm pretty sure probably about a quarter too low. Car has a slight oil leak, so I know that, you know what I'm saying? I think it's a valve cover leak, but it's not significant enough for it to be like, you know what I'm saying, no crazy spots or nothing like that. So I'm like, okay, cool. I got plans for the car anyway, so I ain't worried about it. All right, cool, whatever. Now this, man, look, I'm gonna put this oil in here. I changed the field. I'm gonna put this oil in here, change and reset this light, cause today is not the day to be doing this. I'm not doing this, man. I'm not, bro. I'm not finna do it. I don't care what y'all say. Nah, Beelo, go on, get it fixed. Hey, man, look, I deal with it when I deal with it. I'm not doing this, bro. I'm not even finna attempt to try to be taking no motor mounts off, to drop no oil pan and put another oil pan on her. I'm not doing that today. I'm not. I got shit to do tomorrow. I got shit to do this evening. Like, I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not. So, yeah. Felt like I just should come on here and tell y'all that, man. Cause that was crazy. That is crazy. And these mosquitoes out here is not playing. What is going on? I need to go get my spray. Well, no, I'm finna go in the house. But yeah, man, it's crazy. Has anybody else ever experienced that? Like, y'all ever experienced that, bro? Like, free spinning oil drain plug that won't come out, but it won't leak. It's not leaking and it won't come out. Y'all ever experienced that? Hop down in the comments, man, let me know. So maybe we can help somebody with this situation if it ever, because I ain't even, well, I looked on YouTube and I seen one dude do something about it, but I did that, it didn't work. It was a vice grip method, but I did that, it didn't work. So I don't know, but yeah, man, we ain't doing that. We just not. So yeah, man, let me go and finish what I'm doing, man, so I can get on in this house with my family. And I'll hit y'all in a minute, man. Yo, what's happening? We back. Back up in this thing, man, with another one of them things. Today, man, y'all look, y'all can see. Ain't no Honda over there, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we out here, man. Ashton putting the first wash down on this thing since he owned it, man. First wash down.
You ain't gotta tell him that, bro.
Yeah, I gotta tell him, man. First wash. First wash. Yeah, got to. First wash. This right here is Aston's segment, man, of the Accord, man. You got to name this thing. You know you gotta name it, right? You gotta have a name. So I'm out here showing Aston, man, how to put the wash down on his belongings, man. This is one of his possessions. This just added value to you. This just added net worth to you. Your net worth just went up.
It need to be high than what it is now.
It's higher than what it is. It's higher than what it is already.
What gender is the car code?
Huh?
What gender do I call the car?
Man, some people name their car after men. Some of them name them after women. But if it's a man, it gotta be somebody big. You know what I'm saying? It gotta be something like a ancient Greek god or something. If it's a woman, it don't matter.
Right.
But I say this though. I name all my cars women. Because what gives you the most problems? Women. This car gonna give you so many problems to where you gonna be like, man, I can't deal with this. I ain't even finna do it. So that's what I keep in mind. That's why all my cars have been named after women. My first Chevy was Edna May. Old lady. Old lady. Old car. Old lady. MayRose. She was a problem, boy. She liked them black boys. She liked them black. She ain't like them white boys. She liked them black boys. Done had a black baby. Then killed her dad almost because she done had a black baby. So, and she like can't get right. I just so happen to be can't get right. Can't get it right for nothing. But this is where we at, man. 04 Honda Accord. Got them things on there. What them is? 20s? 22s? I think some 22s. Think. I can't see the size on there. Let's see what we got. Nah, there's 19s in the front. There might be 19s. Let's go around here and see. It might be 19s.
Not bad.
19. We got 19s on the thing. We gotta get all this. See, gotta get all that down up in there. Make sure you don't miss no spots. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. You're working against the sun right now because the sun gonna dry everything up. So you gotta work. You gotta work. So alright, y'all. We're doing this right here. Let me get back to it. We just discovered that the car needs a battery, so let me get back to this in a second. Let me help him out. Got that thing out on the street, man. Like I said, we gotta get a transmission because the reverse ain't working. It's trying to catch, but it ain't working. It's just spinning in reverse, so you put the wash down on that thing though. Running good. Lock that front door. You hear me? Bro, lock the front door. You ain't got your key? No. Lock that front door. Yeah, man, I'm finna pull out around the corner right fast. And yeah, in the Honda, man. Yeah, man, we just skipped this thing in traffic one time, man. So we do need a battery. You know what I'm saying? Need transmission too, so. But he got to drive his car. He got to drive his own car for the first time, man. You know what I'm saying? Got to drive his own whip. He pushed his own whip, man, to take me somewhere. You feel what I'm saying? I've been taking him somewhere, so he pushed his own whip to take me somewhere, man. That's how you pay it back. pay it back, pay it forward, something like that. But yeah, it what we did. So now, man, we finna chill now. He done laid the wash down on this joint. Deal we did. And yeah, leave it. Oh yeah, you good. Yeah. So let me get all this stuff here together, man, and I hit y'all back, man, in another part of the video. We got this part out the way. Now we finna talk about some things we need to get for this car. You know what I mean? Yeah.